Howdy, 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 folks. And thank you for tuning in to another edition of Outdoors with Russ. Now, as y'all know, it's been a minute since I posted a video, but boy, these dog days in Florida ain't no joke. The damn storms and the heat and everything else playing a factor in it. We just can't hardly get out there and fish and enjoy ourselves, much less catch anything. But today, y'all know if I'm posting a video, there's fish to be caught. I promise you that. Y'all stay tuned. Got one. Oh, that's a good one too. Heck yeah, baby. First fish on this new rod. That's what I'm talking about. Look at this. Look at that. That is a nice little bass right there. Perfect, baby. I seen him go right after it as soon as I threw it out there. That's what I'm talking about, son. Nice little bass on the new setup. Hey, I'll take that because this morning has been absolutely just crazy. Pretty little bass. All right. Thanks for biting, buddy. You don't know how much I needed that. See ya. Wow. Boy, I love that. That's fun. Good stuff, good stuff. Got him. I watched him take that one. Yes, sir. I worked that one up good. There was so many bass swimming right there. I worked him up right there. I popped it just in time, right in front of his face. Man would say, "What's that?" I want that. Well, I got you, buddy. I appreciate that bite. Sure was a good one. Nice pool on you. Good little bass. Go on back there and grow some more, big dog. Got another one. Oh, that's a good one right there. Oh, that's a good one. Oh, that's a good one right there. Mm-hmm. Come on up here, baby. Here we go. There we go. That's what I'm talking about right there. Oh, goodness. Heck yeah. Get on in here. All right. Another good one, baby. Come on to Papa. Swim on back to your mama. Go bigger. Bigger. All right. Well, if you've made it this far in the video, that means it's over. And you can stay and hear what I got to say, or you can leave. I don't care. Anyways, I'd love for y'all to head on over to KastKing.com. I'll have the link down in the description below. Use my code RUSS10 to save you 10% on every KastKing purchase. Now, tune in next time as I catch the hell out of some more fish.